create an online multiplayer game, we'll start with a single player game that acts as a base for the multiplayer functionalities. Second, we'll add an Express backend that can receive and broadcast events as they happen real time with Socket.io, and by combining the game and Express backend, we'll add various multiplayer features, including player movement, projectile shooting, a real-time leaderboard, and the ability to add usernames. In the end, we'll use Akamai as our host so that anyone can visit our site and play our game. This course is brought to you by my own platform, Chris Courses, where I have over 100 game and web development related tutorials, quizzes, and code challenges meant to take your skills to the next level. If you'd like to support the channel, then be sure to subscribe over there. Otherwise, let's get started.